Hello there everyone, welcome back to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to declare and use break statement in C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So I'm using div C++ in writing this program. Okay, so we have here series of comments. Sharp include stdio.h. It is a standard library file in C language for input output. Int main, it is the starting point of every C program, starting and ending point. We have here begin, int a equals 0, new line, the title of our program, print formatting or printf, break statement in C, a new line here using for loop statement for a equals 1, a less than 10 increment. If a equals 6, we have here the break statement, so it will terminate, and then it will display the result here, and then it will display thank you for using this software and the program. Basically guys, the purpose of break statement is to get out in a looping statement. It is very useful in many types of programming problems, no? Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two website. Okay, let us execute, compile and run. Let us wait. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So because by 6 it will be terminated. Let's say we have here 8. We save our program, Control S. Compile and run. Okay, so it will display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so, okay guys, so that's it, no? We were able to declare how to use break statement in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.